Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to get Trickster voice on TikTok. Open your TikTok app. First, you can find this plus icon in the bottom. Tap on it to create new TikTok video. So here you can record or upload any video. After that, you can click this red right icon in here. Now you need to add some text in here. So tap on this icon in the top right corner. After you enter some text, then you need to click this text to voice feature in here. Now on this screen you will get all the voices that are related to your text to voice feature. So as you can see from that list, you can see the Trickster effect. So go ahead and tap on that. There you go. That is the Trickster voice. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.